Today we'll investigating into a cool, crisp favorite cucumbers. Did you know that cucumbers are not just a refreshing addition to your salads but also packed with amazing health benefits? Let's slice into the science of cucumbers. Cucumbers, scientifically known as Cucumis sativus, belongs to the gourd family Cucurbitaceae. Let's start with science. Cucumbers are about 96% water, making them incredible hydrating. But that remaining 4% is where things get interesting. They're a good source of vitamin K, essential for blood clotting and bone health. They also contain vitamin C, a potential antioxidant that supports our immune system. Let's talk about hydration. Due to their high water content, cucumbers are great for keeping you hydrated. Proper hydration is crucial for maintaining bodily functions, including temperature regulation, nutrient transport, and joint lubrication. Key health benefits. Now let's explore the exciting ways cucumbers can benefit our health. Hydration hero. As mentioned, cucumbers are excellent hydrators. Dehydration can lead to fatigue, headaches, and even constipation. By incorporating cucumbers into your diet, you ensure your body functions optimally. Electrolyte powerhouse. Cucumbers contain essential electrolytes and potassium and magnesium. These minerals are crucial for maintaining proper muscle and nerve function and can even help regulate blood pressure. Antioxidant. Cucumbers boast certain antioxidants like cucurbitacin and quercetin. These powerhouses fight free radicals in the body which can damage cells and contribute to chronic diseases. Weight management. Cucumbers are low in calories and high in fiber. Fiber keeps you feeling fuller for longer, potentially aiding in weight management efforts. Anti-inflammatory advantage. Studies suggest that cucumbers may possess anti-inflammatory properties. Inflammation is linked to various health concerns, so this benefit is significant. Cucumbers contain various antioxidants, including flavonoids and tannins, which have been studied for their potential to reduce inflammation and combat oxidative stress in the body. Our research has shown that the compounds found in cucumbers have anti-inflammatory effects, which could be beneficial for conditions such as arthritis and other inflammatory disorders. And let's not forget about their anti-inflammatory properties. Cucumbers contain phytonutrients like flavonoids, lignans, and triterpenes, which have been shown to reduce inflammation and support overall health. Skin health. Staying hydrated can also benefit your skin. The high water content of cucumbers not only helps keep the body hydrated but also contributes to skin health. Additionally, cucumbers contain silica, a compound known for its role in promoting healthy skin and hair. Cucumbers are rich in antioxidants like vitamin C and caffeic acid, which can help soothe skin irritations and reduce swellings. Incorporating cucumbers into your diet can provide hydration to your skin from the inside out, and the silica content may support collagen production, contributing to skin elasticity, blood clotting, and bone health. But that's not all. Cucumbers are a great source of vitamin K. Just 1 cup of sliced cucumbers provides about 20% of your daily vitamin K needs. Vitamin K is essential for blood clotting and bone health. Vitamin K is crucial for bone health and blood clotting, while vitamin C is a powerful antioxidant that supports the immune system. Heart health. Cucumbers also contain other vital nutrients such as potassium, magnesium, and fiber. Potassium helps regulate blood pressure and the fiber content aids in digestion. Potassium is important for heart health and maintaining proper blood pressure levels. Magnesium plays a role in over 300 enzymatic reactions in the body, including energy production and muscle function. And the fiber in cucumbers aids in digestion and keeps you feeling full. Digestive health. Another fantastic benefit of cucumbers is their low calorie content. They make an excellent snack for those looking to manage their weight without sacrificing flavor or nutrition. Plus, the fiber content helps promote a healthy digestive system. Adding cucumbers to your diet. So, how can you integrate these refreshing wonders into your diet? The beauty of cucumbers is their versatility. Enjoy them raw with a sprinkle of salt and pepper for a simple snack. Add sliced cucumbers to salads, sandwich, or wraps for a hydrating crunch. Blend them into smoothies for a cool and refreshing boost. Get creative with infused water. Add cucumber slices to water for a subtle spa-like flavor. Conclusion. Cucumbers are more than just a salad filler. They are nutritional powerhouses that can contribute to a healthier you. So next time you're at the grocery store, don't underestimate the cool cucumber. From hydration and skin health to essential nutrients and anti-inflammatory properties, cucumbers are truly a powerhouse of benefits. Whether you enjoy them in your salads, infused in water, or even as a refreshing snack, cucumbers can be a great addition to your diet. That's all for today's episode. If you found this information helpful, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more science-backed health tips. Comment below your favorite way to enjoy cucumbers. Stay healthy and hydrated, and we'll see you next time.